I'm Corey from RecPro, and today I'm going to show you how to install a sink in your RV bathroom. It's easy to do, but it does take a little bit of time and some tools. It can take you around 20 to 25 minutes, and the tools that you might need include pliers, sealant, PVC or ABS cement, depending on how your plumbing is set up, a Phillips head screwdriver, or a drill with a Phillips head bit. With that being said, let's go ahead and get into it and show you how you do this. For this installation, we found it easier to install the sink with the faucet removed. We'll undo the plumbing fitting on the sink drain. We'll undo the screws with a drill and Phillips head bit. It might be a little easier to use a Phillips head screwdriver instead. We'll cut the old sealant using a razor knife. Please be careful. We will remove the old sink from the cabinet space. Use PVC or ABS cement on the included drain pipe to attach it to the sink drain. Make sure you're quick because this chemical dries very fast and it will not come undone. Insert the new sink in the cabinet space. Reattach the plumbing fitting to the sink drain. Use the included screws and tabs to secure the sink to the cabinet using a drill with a Phillips head bit, or as I said before, a Phillips head screwdriver. Apply new sealant around the sink and make sure there's no leaks. And that's about all there is to it. As I said before, it's very simple and only takes you a little bit of time. If you like this video and you want to see more of what RecPro has to offer in the future, including more tips, how-tos, installations, and product videos, hit the like button and remember to subscribe as well. And remember, when you're rolling down the road, roll with RecPro.